Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2017 Toyota Prius. The engine air filter is in the front of the engine bay. No tools are needed to disengage the fasteners that secure the housing, and the cover lifts up easily to give you access to the filter. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a relatively straightforward procedure. The clear instructions on the touchscreen menu make for a hassle-free connection process. Both the interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are easy to remove. The latter even comes provided with a small plastic fuse puller for your convenience. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will need to take out the entire rear bulb housing to access any of the taillights. This will require multiple different tools as well as a bit of force. You must remove a large panel from underneath the vehicle for access to the petcock. Not only will this require multiple bolt removals and prove bulky and cumbersome to maneuver, but this will also put you in an awkward position to work in. This vehicle does not come equipped with a spare tire and jacket. Rather, it only comes provided with a compressor kit instead. Depending on the severity of your flat, this option may leave you stranded if your tire cannot hold air. Overall, the 2017 Toyota Prius is a somewhat easy car to maintain, but prospective owners should be prepared for a number of complicated procedures.